Hi, everyone! Today we're sharing a video showing how to install Dazuma's unique, modern pink feather design pendant light. The package includes an instruction manual, one accessory kit containing one small bag of screws, one product top cover, one metal retaining ring, one transparent mounting bracket, one metal mounting plate, and one grounding wire. One set of headlight housings and wiring kit, including one headlight, housing with wiring, and one transparent mounting bracket. 3 high-intensity bulbs. 1 feather lampshade. First, assemble the headlight housing, wiring harness, and the small, transparent mounting clips with the product's feathered lampshade. First, push the metal ring on the headlight housing to the top and rotate it to lock it in place. Next, remove the metal clamp from the other end of the metal tube and store it safely. Next, thread the power cord through the feather lampshade. Please note that the power cord should be threaded upward through the bottom of the feathered lampshade, and the headlight should be placed directly inside the lamp slot. Reattach the metal ring that was previously removed from the metal pipe. Next, install the transparent mounting bracket that comes with the headlight housing. Lock both rotating clips on the transparent mounting bracket. Next, install the 3 high-intensity bulbs into the headlight housing. Next, open the first bag and assemble the product top cover, the product grounding wire, the transparent fastener for the product top cover, and the metal retaining ring. Route the power cord from the product's headlights through the top cover as shown here. Then tighten the transparent fastener on the product's top cover to secure it. Place the product's mounting plate beneath the electrical box where you plan to install the product. Then secure it using the 2 metal screws included in the screw pack. Connect the product's power cord to your push-in, quick connect terminals. Next, tuck any excess power cord into the electrical box and secure the cover, making sure the 2 holes on the side of the cover align with the holes at either end of the product's mounting plate. Install the 2 metal screws from the screw pack into the 2 holes on the side of the product's top cover. Product installation complete. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.